Is he heavier?
Kind of.
Let's see if he still wants you. Yeah, he's a great walker now. Oh. Oh, look. Oh, he wants you to hold him. Oh. Look at that. Oh. They want you to sit down and he can sit in your lap. You got him? Okay. I think he's trying to hold his legs around you. Here, you sit on the floor and he can sit with you. There you go. Go get that brother. Oh. Did you know he was going to miss you so much?
No.
He says, where have you been? He laughs funny now.
He looks like a playing when he's on my belly.
He does. Let's see if he does it, Grandma Grandpa. He says, we can wrestle now. Put this down, too. Come on in.
Daddy,
Who's that?
guess what? I have a whole bunch of clues now.
Whole bunch of what?
Clues.
What's that?
Clues?
Yeah. Oh, clues?
Clues.
Oh, clears.
You get to pick up what you want.
He wanted brother to hold him. Where you going? Where's Grandma?
Him up now.
Yeah, you picked him up. Let's see if he'll walk to you again, Jay.
Oh.